Hello children, welcome to another session. Children, you are reading Unit 6. Under A reading, you have read the story of a small boy whose name was Swami. In this story, his father asked him to prove his courage by sleeping alone in his office. At first, Swami will not be ready to sleep alone as he was scared of darkness. But his father insists him to sleep alone and prove his courage. In the midnight, Swami observes that somebody was walking near his table. So, in fear, he will caught and to his surprise, the one who came was a thief. And Swami becomes hero overnight. Police comes and takes away the thief. And police appreciates Swami for his courage. Next day, Swami when goes to school, there his headmaster, teachers and classmates, everyone started appreciating Swami for his brave act. And after returning home, his family was too happy and they all appreciated Swami. And Swami felt very happy and he was very happy to be a hero. And after having dinner, Swami sits to write a diary. He wanted to note down all the experiences and feelings that he have gathered during the day. Children, do you know what is a diary? A diary is a book in which you note down your day-to-day experiences, feelings, memorable events, etc. Children, let us know some more details about diary entry. Since an entry made in a diary is personal, it will not have any prescribed format. It is just a way of expressing your feelings and experiences in your own words. Diary entry helps you to relive your old memories, whether happy or sad. It will help you to realize how changes took place in your life and the decisions you have taken and its outcomes. So in short, diary entry gives you flashback into your own life. Now, let us see the features of your diary entry. Diary entry should be started by writing date, day and time. Next, body of the diary. It includes your feelings, emotions, incidents, experiences, reactions and conclusions. Body of the diary should be started by writing an opening statement. Here the ideas should be arranged in proper sequence. The sentences used should be simple past tense, as you are sharing your feelings, experiences. So, you have to use describing words, that is adjectives. And diary includes self-reflection, as you are writing your experiences. So, always it should be written in first person. At the end, you should write your name or sign. Children, as you know, writing a diary is nothing but sharing your feelings, experiences, incidents, etc. So they may be of happy or sad. Depending upon the mood, you may start writing a diary. So always, diary should be started with opening statements. Let us see some of them. You may start writing like, it was a wonderful day. It was an amazing day. Today was a terrible day. It was a horrifying day. It was a pleasant day. It was a memorable day. So, you have to start writing diary with an opening statement. Children, you have seen the contents of a diary. Now, let us see how they are organized, and here it is the format of a diary entry. So, you have to start writing diary by writing date, day, time. Next, salutation. Here the salutation is optional, as you are sharing your feelings with the diary. You may start writing Dear Diary, and it is optional. You may or may not write it. Next comes body of the diary. Here you are writing your feelings, and at the end you may write your name or do signature. This is how the format of diary entry looks. Children, you have seen what is a diary entry, and you have known the features of a diary entry, and also seen the format. Now, let us write a diary entry taking an example from the lesson A Hero. Here is the question. Swami's classmates, teachers and headmaster congratulated him on his courage and bravery. Imagine yourself as Swami and write a diary entry describing your feelings about the appreciation that you have received. Here the question means that you have to imagine yourself as Swami. When you go to school, your classmates, teachers and headmaster congratulated you for your courage, and bravery. Now, you have to make a diary entry describing your feelings about the appreciation that you have received from them. So, let's start writing diary entry. Children, now let us start writing diary entry for the given question. As you know, diary entry should be started with date. Date should be written in words like 23rd October 2020, followed by day, Thursday, and you know diary is written at the end of the day, mostly during night time. So here the time is written as 10 p.m. Next comes salutation, that is dear diary. And you know diary should be started with an opening statement. So here it is written like, today is the most memorable day in my life. I got appreciation from my classmates, teachers and headmaster in school today. It was the happiest moment for me when all were praising for my courage and bravery. They all made me feel like hero. When I reached home, all my family members said that they were proud of me. At present, I'm enjoying, but still I don't know how I was able to catch the thief because I was scared of darkness. But one lesson I learned from this incident was that we have to be strong and courageous to face any situation in life and not to be afraid of any problem and have to face it with courage. I am thankful to my father because he encouraged me to be brave. And at the end, you should write the name. Here you are imagining yourself as Swami. So here we wrote the name Swami. Children, this is the format of diary entry. And all these things should be kept in a box. Children, let us practice one more diary entry. Here is the question. Imagine you have won first prize in drawing competition at district level. You have received the prize from collector. You feel very happy. Make a diary entry of your feelings. Children, here the question means that you have participated in drawing competition at district level and you have won the first prize. And the prize you have received from collector. And you are very happy. And after going home, you have to make a diary entry of your feelings. Children, let us start writing diary entry. So first, you will write date 28th October 2020, followed by day Monday, followed by time 9 p.m. Next, salutation. Dear diary. It was the happiest day for me as I have received prize from the collector. I never expected that I will be selected for drawing competition at district level. I was very tensed as many students have participated well. But When my name was announced, I was surprised and at the same time felt very happy. I cannot forget this moment. And it should be ended with writing your name. Children, you have seen the features of a diary entry, and we also written diary entry by taking some questions. Hope you have understood it. Now, here are some of the questions that you have to practice diary entry. Now let us say these questions. Imagine yourself as Swami's father. Your son is congratulated by everyone for his courage and bravery. Make a diary entry of your feelings. Here the question means that you have to imagine yourself as Swami's father. Your son was congratulated by everyone for his courage. Now, you have to make a diary entry of your feelings. Next question. You have participated in inter-school chess champion competitions, but you lost it. You felt very disappointed. Make a diary entry of your feelings. Here the question means that you have participated in inter-school chess championship, but you have lost it. You are very sad, you are disappointed, and you have to make down your feelings in a diary. Next question. Imagine you have received a mobile as birthday gift. You never expected it. You were very happy to receive it. Make a diary entry of your feelings. Here the question means that on your birthday, you have received a mobile as birthday gift, which you never thought. You were very happy to receive it. Now, you have to make down the entry of your feelings in a diary. Children, hope you have understood. So, practice writing a diary entry for these questions